So in this video, we are doing an anti-rotation deep core exercise with some arm movements to give us a little bit more leverage. So you're in tabletop position with the resistance band anchored into the doorway, and then you're pulling the TheraBand underneath your trunk on your exhale. So inhaling, the arm is coming back, you're allowing your abdomen to rest, and then exhale as you pull the band out, you're wrapping your core in and maintaining a very still trunk. So here is a view from the other angle. So you're going to switch sides. Inside arm is down and the outside arm is the one that's pulling. So inhale here, allow your abdomen to relax, and then pull through and wrap your core in. And then you can play with how close you are to the wall versus how far. Further away is going to be harder.